I want to find such edges in such a way that they both are diagonal to each other. By that what I mean, so right now I found the one edge pair piece which are diagonal to each other. This is the color of them are orange, green on this side, orange, green on this side. It can be like this or this, it does not matter. So I'm going to teach you the basics first. So after doing that, what I'm going to do, my first thing is that first of all I am facing red, but I should hold the cube in such a way that I am able to see a bit of green and a bit of white. So I want to see the three centers at the same time, and I know my edge is like this right now, like this. They both are diagonal to each other. What I'm going to do next, right, since no edge is paired up right now, so we can freely use the top layer. So after checking all the criteria, let's start solving it. Now I'm going to rotate the middle upper layer so that both of them matches. Once these two matches, I'm going to put them up. After putting them up, I'm going to replace it to the, I'm going to move this upper layer to the right side. Move the upper layer to the right side. I'm going to move this layer face again down, and then I'm going to make the red color. See, my edge is also paired up, that is this orange and green, and I was successfully able to make this pair. Now try to find one more such pair in which the edge pieces are diagonal to each other. I found this one white red edge pair which are both diagonal to each other, white red edge pair. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it, it is on the blue face right now, so I'll need to see, okay, the orange is on my left side and yellow is facing the ceiling. So I need to hold the cube in such a way where I am able to see all three centers together. And now just rotate the middle bottom layer so that they two matches. After matching them up, put it on the top layer. After putting it on the top layer, you can move it to the right side or left side. It depends on what I want to do is one simple thing only, that this is the non-paired up edge, non-made edge. I'm going to use this non-made edge. I'm going to put this non-made edge here by rotating it to the right. Done. This non-made edge has made it here. Now I'm going to rotate the face so that the red is at the bottom. After doing that, I'm just going to match blue with the blue. Look, they are matched, and I was successfully able to make this white red edge and this green orange edge. Now let's keep doing it. It may happen so that you are not able to find any edge pieces which are diagonal to each other. In that case, what we can do is, right now this yellow red edge and this yellow red edge, they both are in the same line, but I want them to be diagonal to each other, either in this way or either in this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark this one, this edge piece that is on my right hand side. Just, there is no point of applying red color on the red. Just a minute. So I have marked this edge. After marking it, just face the orange or just hold the cube in such a way that you are able to see a bit of yellow as well, or the center that is facing the ceiling. And what we are going to do, first we are going to work with the center that we are facing. or that has both the edge pieces in the same line right now. And then after doing some steps, we are also going to work with the center that is on the left of the orange, which is the green. So we are going to, some moves we are going to do on the orange face, whereas some moves we are going to do on the green color face. So first of all, let's do the move on the orange face. Just hold it in such a way that you are able to see a bit of yellow. Now move this right layer up so that this edge piece reaches the top layer. After this, just rotate it once more, it to this side, to the right side only, so it is now exactly opposite to the color that we are facing. This edge piece is now exactly opposite to the edge color that we are facing. Now face the green. After facing the green, you will know that this edge piece is right now on the left layer. So if we put this left layer down, we'll see that these two are now diagonal to each other, aren't they? Once putting them diagonal to each other, we can apply our algorithm. So we are applying it on the left side only. So let's learn through the left only. Now first of all, we are going to work with this green center, but we are going to hold the Rubik's cube in such a way I am able to see a bit of the center which is on the left of the green and which is on the top of the green. So we are going to hold the Rubik's cube in such a way that I am able to see all the three centers. Now I have this one edge here and one edge here. So I need to rotate the bottom middle layer to make them match. After matching them, put it in the top layer. After putting them in the top layer, just replace this position, this particular position, with the non-made edge, non-made edge pair, which is this one. I have replaced it. Now put this down so that the green is on the bottom, and now match, orange is at the bottom, and now match green with the green. See, it's done, and we were successfully able to match. I forgot which one we were doing, but I think it's this one, green and orange we were working with. Okay. So after completing this, you can also run into one more case. So it can be this case where I have this red blue edge piece here and one red blue edge piece here. They both are diagonal to each other. And now after finding the pair, what we are going to do, we are going to look or hold the cube in such a way where I am able to see the three centers at the same time. But also notice that earlier we had one non-made edge in the top layer. Right now there is no non-made edge in the top layer, which means I cannot use this side where green is in the case where this red is facing the ceiling, because all the pairs are made. I don't want to ruin them just to fix these two. So what I'm going to do, right now the red is facing the ceiling, but the opposite color to the red is the color which is opposite to the red is orange. So now I'm going to rotate the cube in such a way that I'm still facing the blue, but now orange is facing the ceiling. I'm still facing the blue and orange is facing the ceiling, and my edge is still are diagonal to each other in this way. Now you see we have a lot of non-made edge in the top layer. This one is not, this one is not, this one is not. So we can use any of these three to make our edge. Now hold the cube in such a way where you are able to see a bit of white, a bit of blue and a bit of orange. Now rotate the upper layer so that you match these two. Once they are matched, put it in the top layer. rotate it to the right side so that this non-made pair is attached to this particular face. After doing that, rotate this face in such a way that blue is at the bottom, and then try to make the blue. So we were successfully able to do this white red and this blue red. One of them I made it, I don't remember the color of it, but no worries. So like this, in this way, try to solve all the edges. So after trying to solve, it may happen that you may have two cases. This is one of those cases that I am teaching you. One case can be that now I only have two unsolved edges. One is here, one is here, and there are no unsolved edges except both of them. So put them side by side. So in the last, this is the first case that you can run into, where you only have two unsolved edges left. So what we are going to do, initially we always used to place it in such a way that this red white edge piece and this red white edge piece are diagonal to each other. At the same time, this blue orange edge piece, this orange blue edge piece are also diagonal to each other. But the steps that I am going to tell you now, or in a few minutes, for that what we need, we want the red to be with the red white edge pieces in the same layer, and the orange blue edge pieces in the same layer. Now how to put them in the same layer? We are going to use the same thing or same steps that we used to put it diagonally. First of all, let's mark this piece. We have marked this edge piece. You can mark any one of these, it does not matter. So I have marked the top one. Now we are facing green. The center that is left to the green is red. So halfway I am going to work with green, halfway I am going to work with red. I am going to hold the cube in such a way where I am able to see a bit of yellow. Now put this right layer up. Rotate this edge piece to the exactly opposite to the color that we are facing right now. So we are facing green. It is exactly opposite to the green, isn't it? Now we are going to face the red, and when we face the red, we see, oh, this edge is now right now in the left side of this red center. So we are going to put this left layer down, and we see both of them have reached the same line. The red white edge pieces are in the same line, and the blue orange edge pieces are in the same line. Now to do this, now after putting them side by side, do the moves that I am telling you. But before that, just first of all, mark this edge piece and mark this edge piece, because we are going to pair them up. What is the color of the center that is on the left of this red color? It's the blue, and on the top it's the yellow. So we are going to rotate or hold the cube in such a way where I am able to see all three of them together. So now rotate this first two layers so that these two are paired up. After pairing these two, just put it in the top layer like we used to do. Done. After that, just put this layer also in the top, so that you see you have the red color line on the left side. Both on the both face, the red color line is on the left side. So there must be one color line, that is one common color line, which should be on our left hand side, and our marked edge pieces are in the top layer right now. Done. Now move this paired edge piece here with this face. Now put this face down in such a way that red is at the bottom. Move this face in such a way that red is at the top. After that, match red with the red. Now see, they both are with their respective colors.